Hello, hello, and welcome to Wumble's Hive. It's Christmas time, and it's time for Archie's Paints Countdown to Christmas. You probably can still get your hands on this. I've not checked, to be honest, but there are loads and loads of other paints that Kaylee and Archie do, so if you are interested, don't forget to pop over. I actually found my seaside kit out earlier, so if you did want to look, do let me know. I might just get it out in tomorrow's anyway. I did do a little, there it is, I did do a little unboxing of it. So if you're watching back, you might see it, but it's a beautiful little kit. I've got the swatchers in there, so I'll show you that. Maybe I'll get it out today, depends how long this takes. Oop, I forgot to show you little gingerbread people on the back of this gorgeous shiny blue paper. Oh, and I didn't show you paper chains. Let's do this whilst I'm peeling. And put that down. And paper chains is definitely not as blinding as Nordic, but it is a gorgeous metallic sky blue. So here we are, we're doing MYRRH today. So what colour do we think MYRRH is, guys? Do you have any ideas? Are you ready for the reveal? Oh, it's an antique gold. That is nice. Look at that, guys. Right, let's get some water on this. And see if we can get it activated. Swish it round. Swish, swish, swish. Oh, you can see the iridescence again. Are you ready? Keep watching. It's dark brown. Look at that. That's impressive, right, guys? Right, we'll shove that over to the side and move that out of the way. Oh, wow, that's beautiful. I do like antique gold. I mean, it's nice to have the super shine of fresh gold. But I just think, you know, when it's a bit older, you think it's got a bit of a story behind it. Or maybe that's just me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Oh, it's very nice. I can see the iridescence moving about. And I've been using the same dabby paper for 4 days now, and I came to sit down today and no idea where it is, so that's a bit weird. So let's have a little look, and you can see the colour and a little bit of the shine there, but I will give you a close look tomorrow once it's finished. But for those who are interested, this was a 6-pack of paints that I ordered from ARCHIE'S back in the summer, as you do when you're thinking about seaside. And it said you could suggest, and they'd do the best to give you the colours that would be most appropriate, and I asked them for something seasidey. The colours that I got were Lead, Jingle Juice, Milk and Cookies, Snowy Beach, Ice Skating, and Colour 2.0. And this is what they look like. So hopefully you can see the shimmer along the strong edge. But it is such gorgeous colours, and they are so seasidey. Stuck them in my own little happy tin, as you do. Because paint makes everybody happy, right guys? So until next time, I'll let you contemplate the colour MYRRH. Do you like it? Is it something that you might use? Is it a little dark, a little light, a little odd? Let me know down below. And until next time, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.